Hello, TK friends. We get to play with Play-Doh today. Okay, so we're gonna be working on strengthening those fine muscle skills with some help. So first, you'll need your placemat, okay? And you'll need your Play-Doh and some utensils. I have a plastic fork here, a pretty thick one, okay, pretty sturdy one. You can also use a real metal fork also. I have a plastic knife and a metal spoon, and I also have a marker. All right, so those are the materials you'll need. Okay, so I don't need this. First, let's open it up. So use your fingers and pull the lid up. Tap it out. There we go. It should look like a cylinder from the last time we put it in, right? All right, let's see if you still remember some of the techniques we used last time when we were playing with Play-Doh. How about, let's go ahead and use all of our fingers and squish them right in the middle and divide our Play-Doh into 2 halves. Good. Go ahead, and I want you to knead. Yeah, both hands at the same time. You see, open, use your fingers to roll it. Squeeze, use your finger to roll it. Squeeze, use your finger to roll it. Squeeze, use your finger to roll it. Good, now use your finger, put your thumb in the middle and push it in and fold it over. Good, push it in, fold it over. Push it in, fold it over. Very nice. Go ahead and squeeze it as tight as you can and let the Play-Doh ooze out between your fingers. Ready? Squeeze it, squeeze, ooze, ooze, let it ooze out. Ooze as hard as you can. Ooh, very nice. Go ahead and put it back together. Okay, into one piece. Now, there you go. We're gonna do that again. Right in the middle. Pinch it, pinch it, pinch it. All right, okay. I want you to show me how you can squeeze it so hard again and push it all out through your fingers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, squeeze. Squeeze harder, 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 harder. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Okay. Do you remember how to make a ball? Yeah, do you remember? We have a few ways, right? We can use both hands, one on the bottom, one on the top, and we can turn like this. So go ahead, why don't you do it like this? So that's one way to make a ball, huh? Okay, go ahead, show me your ball. Pretty good, yeah. I can make it a little bit rounder. By going faster. How fast can you go? Nice. Okay. Or let's squeeze it again. Let's go ahead. How about let's flatten it using our hands, using our thumbs to push down and then our fingers to move it around. Look at, I'm turning it into a big blue cookie by pressing it, pressing it. Do you have a big blue cookie? Delicious. All right, well, let's turn this flat blue cookie back into a ball, okay? Ready? Fold, fold. Hey, it's like a piece of quesadilla or pizza. Fold, fold. Okay, do you remember the other way to make a ball? Yep, put it down. I'm picking up all my little pieces like this. You see that? Put it down. Okay, put your hand on top and turn in a circle. Yep, keep going. How fast can you do it? There you go. How about let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty nice. Yeah, you do remember how to make a circle. Do you remember how to make a snake? You do? Okay, well, let's divide this into two smaller circles, two smaller balls, and then we'll make snakes from it. Ready? Squeeze in the middle. Squeeze. Pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it apart. Now we have two. Okay. Remember, to make a snake, we go forward and backward, forward and backward. So put your hand nice and straight and flat there. Ready? Roll back and forth. And faster and faster. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Lift it up and look at it. Pretty good, huh? Look, it went from this to this. Okay? Okay. And move your hand to one side. Ready? Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. That side's thinner now. Let's go to the thick side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Yeah, that side's really thin. So let's go to the middle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, let's go to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job, friends. Did you make a snake? Perfect. You remembering how to do all of this? Nice. Go ahead and turn your snake back into a ball. Squish it back, squish it back. Okay, let's put it in the middle. This time I want you to use your other hand. Let's use our left hand and rotate it in a circle to turn it back into a ball. Okay, count to 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. All right, we're going to use our marker here, our dry erase marker, but not to write with. We're going to use it as a rolling pin. We are going to roll out our ball. I want you to squish it down. And then you're going to use all your little fingers and you're going to roll the marker like a rolling pin. Okay, roll it, roll it, roll it forward. Okay, push that down. There we go. And when you get to the end, roll it backwards. Roll it, roll it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to make all your fingers work together. Okay, and look at, there's a big clump of Play-Doh, but we gotta push it back, roll it back, roll it back, roll it back, roll it back. Good. And when we've gotten to the end, I want you to do it one more time. Roll it forward again. We're gonna try to make it as thin as we can. Okay, as thin and flat as we can, using all of our fingers together, and roll it back again. Let's practice rolling back. Good. There we go. Nice. Okay, now I want you to take your fork. Okay, I want you to hold your fork so that your thumb is supporting the bottom of the fork, and then your finger here, your pointer finger, is right at the crook, right at the arch, the neck of the fork. Okay, and then the other fingers can be on top of that, supporting. Okay, so now these fingers right here are going to be doing the force. So I want you to hold it and just poke, 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 poke all the way down and poke all the way up. Cute. All right. Now we're going to use our fork like a rake. Okay, we're going from the top and we're going to slowly roll it like a rake. See how I'm going down and pulling it softly up and around and around and around. There we go. Hey, we just made like a fruit roll-up. Is this a blueberry fruit roll-up? Yummy. There we go. Okay, let's put this down. Take this ball, put it right in the middle. And let's make sure it's nice and round. This time I'm going to use my left hand, okay? So let's roll it in a circle. Count to 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. What a beautiful circle. You got it. We're gonna roll it out again. Ready? Put it right in the middle and push it down just a little bit. Use all your fingers. Roll it forward, 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 forward. Sometimes if the mat moves, if you want to put your elbows down on it to keep it, that's good. Or maybe mom can tape it down for you, okay? So there we go. I'm gonna roll it forward, and now I'm gonna roll backwards, backwards. Backwards is a little bit harder, huh? Yeah, it's harder for me too. I'm gonna roll it backwards. There we go. And now I'm gonna go forward again, trying to get it as flat as I can. Push all that Play-Doh up, 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 up. Make all my fingers work together. Nice job, fingers. And yeah, make sure it doesn't stick on your marker, your rolling pin. There we go. And roll it back. Nice, beautiful. Well, this time, how about let's use our knife, okay? And when I hold my knife, I put my thumb on one side and my tall man on the other, kind of like this. And then my index finger goes on top. The other two fingers wrap around the handle of the knife. So can you hold it like this? Yeah. Okay, this extends in and out. And we're going to cut up our Play-Doh. Yeah, we're gonna cut horizontal lines going from left to right, left to right. Yep, go ahead and cut it. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. There. Wow, I made a lot of pieces. Now we want to cut the other way. But if it's like right in front of us, that's kind of hard to cut, right? So what we can do is we can always turn our paper or turn our Play-Doh, okay, so that it's kind of diagonal. It makes it easier for our arm to work, okay? So now it's kind of diagonal. Now I can cut from top to bottom, and I can make little pieces. Do you see the little pieces that are coming? Yeah. There we go. Now look at, I can take it apart. See my little pieces? So when you're playing, and if you want to make a house, let's say I want to make windows in here, I can just lift that up in the middle. How about I want this one? I can use my knife and lift it up. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, if this were a ship and these were different windows into the different parts of the ship, there, okay. Pretty, huh? So yeah, you can always use a plastic knife when you're playing with your Play-Doh, okay? There we go. So go ahead now and pick it up, put it all together. Sometimes it's easiest to pick up little pieces by just dabbing. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. There we go. Now, we're gonna make one big ball, okay? So let's knead it together. Do you remember? Thumbs in the middle, push, and then it takes from the side, push it in the middle. Take it from the side, push it in the middle. Take it from the side, push it in the middle. Keep doing that. There we go. This is called kneading. And you can even turn your whole Play-Doh as you're kneading. There you go. All right. Okay, now we have one big ball. Okay. Ready? Let's make a big ball. 10? Do you want to count to 10? No? You want to count to 20? Okay, let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've got 20 here. Now I've got a big ball. This time, let's play with the spoon, okay? Now, with the spoon, I want you to hold so that the thumb is on the neck, the arch of the spoon, and the spoon is actually facing down, like that, okay? Now, see if you can flip your spoon up without using the other hand. Put the other hand behind you. Okay, can you flip your spoon up? Yeah, use your feet. There, nice. Flip it down. Flip it up. Flip it down. Up, down, up, down, up. Good. Try it with the other hand. Okay, ready? Start with it going down. Thumb on at the arch. Ready? Okay, go. Flip it up. Flip it down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Can you flip it the other direction? Oh, it's a little bit harder, huh? It's tricky there. All right, so now we're gonna start with the spoon being up, okay? And I'm gonna hold it so that my thumb is right in the curved area right here, okay? Right in the neck of the spoon, okay? And then I'm gonna push down. I'm gonna let my thumb do all the work. Thumb's gonna push it down hard, 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 hard. And pick it up, look at, I made it like a little crater, okay? Now, the spoon's gonna go all around and we're gonna do that. We're gonna keep pushing down. Turn our paper, push down. Turn our paper, push down. Push down, there we go. Keep doing it. Ooh, does it look like a flower? Mine looks like a flower. That's pretty. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty cool, huh? Didn't know you can do that with a spoon. Well, now let's cut that flower up. Let's say we need that flour in a dish. Yeah, so with that we can cook. So we need to cut up that flour. Go ahead and flip your spoon over without using the other hand. Thumb right at the neck. And now we're going to push it down and just turn it back and forth. There we go. How about right here? Push it down, turn it back and forth, and using the side of the spoon, we can cut the Play-Doh. Yep, there we go. Using the side of the spoon, cut the Play-Doh out. And you get this beautiful, kind of like petal-like shape, huh? There we go. Okay, nice work. All right. So let's put it all back together. Good job. Well now, friends, you can use your marker, your fork, your knife, and your spoon to play with your Play-Doh. You can do with whatever you want with your Play-Doh right now. Okay, it's your time. Then, when you are done, make sure you turn it back into a ball, okay? So when it's cleanup time, turn it back into a ball by rolling it, rolling it, rolling it, rolling it, rolling it. And then once you've gotten the ball, then we have to turn it into a cylinder that is the shape of this container. So then we're gonna go back and forth, maybe 3, 4, 5 times. There we go. Tap the bottom, tap the top. So now it looks like this. Drop it in the container. Put the lid on, make sure it's tight. Okay. Nice job cleaning up. Tomorrow we'll be working with Play-Doh again. So make sure that lid's tight. Okay, enjoy yourself. Have fun.